Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip, and this week we're going to jump back into my account to talk about a new update that's going to make working with us a whole lot easier. So let's get into it. So with Protocase and Protospace MFG, you get so much more than what other job shops offer, thanks to our high-velocity mass customization manufacturing system, or as we like to call it, HVMC. One of the best parts of the HVMC experience is the digital tools that are available to make the whole process of working with us super easy. Now, one of those digital tools is called the My Account portal, where you can download CAD templates, get instant quotes for your designs, place online orders in just a few clicks, and check order updates just to stay in the loop. And that's just scratching the surface. There are plenty of other awesome features in My Account for an easier workflow. So onto our latest update for today's video. Now our account managers can automatically place every quote that you receive into your My Account portal. That's right. Even if you get your quote outside of My Account, your account manager will ensure that the quote is added to the portal so that you can quickly access it once you log in. Now you might be wondering how this is going to help you. Well, one of the biggest perks is that once your quote is saved in My Account, you can place the order anytime that you want. There's no need for any back and forth emails with your account manager to finalize the order. Now, of course, our account managers are always happy to help, but they're going to be even happier when you can save time. And that's exactly what this update is all about. So remember, with My Account, you can place your order anytime, day or night, 24/7. There's going to be no need to wait for a Monday if you come up with a grand idea and place an order on the weekend. Now, with that being said, let me walk you through how this process works. So once our team finalizes your quote and saves it, you'll find it in the Quotes tab in My Account. Now, when you want to place the order, just go to the Quotes tab, find the quote that you want, and now at this stage, if you want to adjust the quantity or service level, just click on View. Once you make a change, you'll see the updated quote right away. Now, after you're satisfied with the price, click Add to Cart. And then after that, click on Ready to Check Out. And if you have any last-minute changes of plans, you'll have another chance to update the quantity or service type here. Once you've got your payment and shipping methods entered, take a moment to double-check that all of the info on this page is accurate and up to date. This is going to be important to do as your order will go straight into production. Once everything looks good, just hit Submit Order and that's it. Your order will be placed. It's easy as that. So like I said, it's just that simple. So this brings us to the end of this week's Proto Tech Tip video. If you want to learn more about all of the cool features that My Account has to offer, check out our playlist with all the previous tech tips and be sure to check out our blog on the top 5 features of My Account. Those links will be in the description below. So I hope that this video gave you a good idea on how My Account continues to help you move forward with your next design project. So until next time, take care.